Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a cloud project and enabling the specific Google API you need. This step attaches usage and permissions. Once done, make sure billing is set if the API requires quota. Next, choose authentication. Create an OAuth client ID for user flows or a service account key for server-to-server access. Export the JSON credentials and store them securely. This gets you from nothing to a configured project with credentials ready for the next implementation stage. Now implement authentication in your code. Install the official Google Client library for your language and import the credentials JSON you generated. Once imported, request the minimal OAuth scopes you need rather than broad access. This reduces risk and avoids consent friction. If using a service account, impersonate a user only when necessary. Then exchange credentials for an access token and attach it to API requests. Make sure token refresh logic is in place so calls remain authorized over time. Finally, build and test your API calls. Construct requests using the client library methods, send them, and verify responses. Once done, implement error handling and retries with exponential backoff for quota or transient failures. This keeps your app resilient. Make sure to validate responses and close resources. If things go wrong, check logs for 401/403 errors, confirm scopes and credential file, and ensure clock drift isn't breaking tokens. Adjust system time or refresh keys and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.